एंड आप सभी को सुष्मिता का प्यार भरा नमस्ते. वेलकम बैक. So the topic for today's class is adjective. We have been learning about adjective in our previous video as well. So what did we learn? Revision is a must. We learned that adjectives are describing words. What do they describe? They describe a noun in the sentence, right? So we also learned about adjective of quality and adjective of number in our last video. We will do a quick revision with two examples so that it becomes easier for you to understand. Let me give you the first example. Okay. The hungry lion could not catch the clever fox. Nice, no? Good sentence. Okay. What do? We first found the noun. What, like in this sentence, can you find out the nouns? Yes, it is lion and the fox. So which are the words which are describing the lion and the fox? We can see that the word hungry describes the lion and the word clever describes the fox. It answers our question what kind of lion was it? It was a hungry lion. What kind of a fox was it? It was a clever fox. So what did it do? It told us something about, or it described the lion and it described the fox. So here hungry and clever, they are the adjectives of quality, right? This is what we learned. Today we will be again revising adjective of number. Let's take another example. A spider has 8 legs. We are talking about spider. Spider is the noun. We are talking about a body part of a spider. How many how many legs? It's 8. So 8 describes the number of legs that it has, right? A spider has 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs. So here 8 becomes the adjective of number because it describes the number which is represented by the noun in a sentence. So in today's class we will be learning about demonstrative adjective. So what we will learn is, we will learn about demonstrative adjective. So what does the word demonstrative means? Or to demonstrate means, right? Demonstrate means to explain or to show or to point out. So demonstrative adjectives, okay? There are words like this. Let's do it like this, okay? This and that. Also words like such. This, the plural of this is these, and that of those is, that is those. So this, that, these, those and such. These are words which are used to point out something. For example, this is a pen. It's near to me. So I use the word, or I use the demonstrative word this. If I can see a fan, so what I say? That is a fan because it is at a distance, right? It is distant from you. It is at a distance from me. So this in case of plural becomes these. This is a pen. These are pens. That is a star. Those are stars. Okay. So words like, always remember when you talk about demonstrative, remember this, that, these, those and such. These are the words which will help you to find out demonstrative adjectives in a sentence. But there is a catch to it. There is a rule to it. Okay. Not in every sentence this, that, these, those and such will become a demonstrative adjective. We need to see some examples to get a clarity. So here are some examples, some sentences which are on the board. Let us study them and let's find out how a demonstrative adjective is placed in a sentence. So you remember this, that, these, those and such. These words are used to point out at something. Okay, so with these examples, let's get a clarity. This pen writes well. So ये तो आपको पता है, you know it that this. So ma'am, I know the answer. This is the demonstrative adjective. You're absolutely correct. So here, this is the demonstrative adjective. In this sentence, that is the demonstrative adjective. In this, these boys are intelligent. So these is the demonstrative adjective. Such and those. So I told you these 5 words and I've taken 5 examples based on these 5 words. Now see, when I say this pen writes well, I am talking about this pen which writes well. So it is pointing out towards a noun, which is the pen, right? So the position of a demonstrative adjective is just before the noun, okay? Just before the noun. That tree is very big. Again, tree is the noun and see, that is just placed before the word or before the noun tree. These boys are intelligent. We are talking about a group of boys who are intelligent. So the noun is boys, okay? And the demonstrative adjective, which is these, is just before the noun. Such people never fail in life. For example, maybe like hardworking people, we have taken a group, right? So such people never fail in life, okay? So in this case, here people will be the noun, a group of people, right? Those men are tall. Those is the demonstrative adjective. And men is the noun, okay? Men, the plural form of man. Now see, whenever we use these demonstrative adjectives, this, that, these, those, they are usually placed before noun, okay? It is very, very important to note that. For example, this pen writes well. Again, it was just before noun. Now if I say, suppose, this is my pen. If there is a sentence which says, this is my pen. Now if you see this and say that this is demonstrative adjective, no. Here the rules are different. Here this will be about demonstrative pronoun. That is a different chapter which we will be doing very soon. So you have to remember that whenever the demonstrative words like this, that, these, those are placed before noun, which means they are describing the noun or giving you some information about the noun, are called demonstrative adjectives, right? So I hope this concept is clear now and you will be able to use and find out demonstrative adjectives in sentences very easily. So for today, we did demonstrative adjectives and in our next class, we will be doing interrogative adjectives. It was a lovely session and I really enjoyed doing it. I hope it is the same with you. Please subscribe to our channel and do write to us if you have any queries. Thank you so much.